If you want to remove SIM card from a POCO F7, first of all, we need to prepare the eject tool that we can find inside the box. Then take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find our SIM tray, which is located over here. We also have this hole that is used, of course, to insert the eject tool. So what we're gonna do is insert the eject tool into this hole where we have our SIM tray, and then use a little bit of force in order to make the SIM tray pop out. It comes out just slightly, so of course then we need to use our fingernails or fingers in order to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone. And after that we have our SIM cards, or just one SIM card, and we can try to remove the SIM card. Now, in order to remove it, you can try to grab it from one of the corners. You can also try to bend the SIM tray but just slightly with a tiny bit of force. You don't, of course, want to break it, but if you try to bend it a little bit, the SIM card should pop out like this. And of course, we can do the same thing with the other card. If you have just one, then you might have the option to push it from the other side where the SIM card is visible, so it is a little bit easier to remove just if you have one SIM card, but just slightly trickier when you have two SIM cards. Alright, so once we remove our SIM cards, of course we need to insert the SIM tray back into the SIM tray place and just push it in with your finger over here, and that's pretty much it. Make sure that it doesn't stick out or anything. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.